What's the meaning of conning tower? Conning tower. Conning tower.
Conning tower. Conning tower. A conning tower is a structure on a submarine or ship that serves as the bridge and navigation control center. It is typically located above the main deck and provides a clear view of the surroundings. The tower contains equipment for communication, navigation, and weapons control. The term conning comes from the Old English word cunnin, meaning to know, which reflects the tower's function as the primary location for strategic decision-making. Overall, the conning tower plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and effectiveness of naval operations.